paint her green, her face and her hands, every night for the show. So the show's going on when I'm leaving this dressing room, and there's this dog barking, 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 and the stage is right there.
When I was working in New York, they wouldn't allow you to bring the dogs to the theater. So here in LA at the Pantages, when they said you can bring your dog, I was, you know, so excited because on 2 show days, it ends up being a 12-hour or more day. And I just don't like him to be alone that long. Calm down. It's okay. When it comes to Yorkshire Terriers, I think Owen is a little more mellow, but it wasn't until I started watching The Dog Whisperer that I realized that I was doing everything wrong, and the little quirks that I thought were kind of cute were behavior problems. Stay, stay. He's just very calm and cool until someone tries to leave or something like that happens.
My visits aren't long, but it's apparent that Owen pays a lot of attention to guests, and it's noisy and loud, and there's just plenty of barking. Bye, Owen. Good riddance.
Recently, he started jumping up, trying to nip people's hands. And when he's really upset, it sounds like a child, like somebody is hurting a child.
The daily drama climaxes shortly before showtime, when crew members arrive at Eden's dressing room with costumes, wigs, and makeup to conjure up the Wicked Witch of the West. Owen's frenetic barking wreaks havoc and has cast and crew fearing that the audience will hear an unexpected performance.
Owen reacts to any makeup artist the same way. He's like, what are you doing to my owner, you know?
Half hour, please, half hour.
I paint her green, her face and her hands, every night for the show. I have a half hour to do her makeup and for us to get her wig on and costume.
15 minutes, please, 15.
You loved you. There's always one point in the process after they paint my hands and they powder them, and then they spray a fixative spray to my hands just to set it really well.
He kind of goes ballistic.
All right, bye. Have a good show. Okay, all right, Owen.
All I can figure is he's trying to protect her. She doesn't start at the very top of the show. So the show's going on when I'm leaving this dressing room, and there's this dog barking, 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 and the stage is right there. She cannot get up and address the problem and stop what we're doing because the show must go on.
It's just chaotic. My biggest concern is that he's not happy. And so I hope by the end of the day that I can learn everything I can to help Owen become a more balanced dog.
So, how can I help you?
Oh, Cesar. Well, my dog Owen has a lot of separation anxiety issues.
Okay.
Also, my other big concern is he's just not normal with other dogs at all.
Mm-hmm.
He either completely submits or just does this kind of like, I don't want to have anything. It kind of makes me sad a little bit just because I want him to be able to play and be normal. And it happened earlier today, like he's starting to
Protect his space.
Yeah, it's exactly like that. You're invading my personal space, and I don't want to have you here.
Which is nothing wrong with that.
So that's not a bad, it's not a bad social, I mean...
No. They're coming to his space and doing that. That's absolutely normal for them to say, not right now.
Okay. Other than that, he's a great dog. I mean, he's very sweet and loving, a little too loving with me. I think he's very protective and, you know.
So when he's protecting, is he growl at people? Does he?
Yeah, and I try to do the touch, but it just doesn't seem to work when I do.
No, because you're trying.
Okay, yeah.
Try to sing.
And
that's what people get. Try to act. That's what people get. Try to perform. That's what people get.
Right.
Don't try it, do it.
Yeah, well, there's no other choice.
He's your audience.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay, I can do that.
You have done the exercise in some of the areas of your life. You have not yet give it to him 100% as you have give it to the audience 100%.
Sure.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
The success of something like this is because people like yourself, you give 100% every time. And then people around you ripples.
Yeah.
Let's do it then. I'll be here. I'll be one of your makeup artists.
Okay, we can do that.
I have no professional wisdom, but I can send you balance.
Cesar realizes that if he is going to save the show, he will have to teach Eden and her makeup artist, Paul Hadibus, how to transform Owen.
This is Paul.
Hey, Paul.
Hadibus,
Nice to meet you.
the makeup
Nice to meet
artist,
you.
Thank you.
Cesar.
Let me see you
Pleasure.
in action.
Okay, well, you're going to see part of it.
What we do, yeah.
Well, okay.
A lot of green in this show.
Lot of green. Huh. So at this time, would he start doing something?
Normally by now, he's done my whole body already,
Yes.
and then he just moves on to my hands.
Uh-huh.
And it's not really until that one moment, once he's completed my hand,
Uh-huh.
and then he powders it and sprays the fixative spray. I kind of clap them together to
Oh.
kind of dust off the excess powder, and that's what sets him off. And then we can't stop him. And then once
me bring him in.
Okay.
You gotta go in there, buddy.
Owen, come here, buddy. Come here. Let's get
That's
up.
excitement. That's anxiety. So either or, we don't want him to associate this with excitement or anxiety, which it leads him into the wrong state of mind.
Hey.
And then whoever is around, you can teach them to follow through. So instead of saying, it's okay, no, stop, sit,
Right.
whatever, just for people to turn around and look at him in a firm way, it calms him down.
Okay.
They already working as a team towards the makeup and the costume and the theater. They're very in sync. But she has not transformed that team into a dog psychology purpose. Now I know what I'm gonna wear for Halloween. Yeah, Paul, can you help me?
I'm good at green, so you could be Frankenstein.
Yeah.
Doing all right.
Hey. So Owen felt the need that somebody have to control the situation, especially when you're really close to showtime. Come on, you gotta go, in a different frequency, and that's not natural to me. I don't care if you guys are gonna see the president today. Calm down, people. We're gonna get there anyway.
Hey.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do the whole leaving again.
Should I spray?
Yeah. Hey. Hold on, stop right there, stop right there. Paul and Eden, very open. I can see how they can both already working together to accomplish same goal. So now we can create what we all want, which is a calm, balanced Owen and, a happy Eden. You're the prey right now, right? You can eventually do this. As soon as you stop, it's not a verbal
Okay.
communication. It's just energy, body language.
Great.
Otherwise, the more you keep moving, the more prey you become.
Mhm.
That's why I'm stopping you and send him back. And then you walk away. So you end up the ritual not in a fight state. He in a submissive state.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah. Okay, let's do it again. That was third time.
Yeah.
All because we took the time to block, bring him back, and do it all over again.
He's not the one in charge anymore.
No, not anymore. So if he keeps doing that, he's in charge. So it contradicts his nature. His nature is to be a follower. I saw Owen and Eden walking together, and Owen was right there next to her. Automatically, naturally, it was not a question, this is my place. But in here, he becomes a leader.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
So it's not healthy for him to do something that he wasn't born to do. Now
Yeah,
I'm
because see, for
empowering.
me, I went into panic mode, like, okay, the audience is going to hear, and I got to get out of here, and creating havoc.
Yeah.
So just try to get out of here as quick as possible to stop him from
Yeah.
barking, which
Don't
just gave him more
intensify.
power
Yes, right.
because I was being the submissive
Yeah.
one.
But
That
the
makes
audience love dogs barking. So don't worry about that. Yeah.
Audience will just think it was Toto barking.
That's right.
Should I get involved and
You're going to educate everybody around you, and eventually you don't get out of your chair.
Okay. Caesar has this amazing ability to bring things into your world so you can understand exactly what he's saying. And the light bulb went off in my head, and I was like, yeah, duh, of course. And so I have to sort of retrain my brain to apply that to Owen. So he's in a calm, submissive state right now.
He's observing too.
Okay.
He's standing
Yeah,
from far
'cause I
away
can-
observing
yeah.
the pack working and giving space. So he's given space. But at the same time, he's very alert and attentive. That's 4th time. Okay. So that was perfect. See, that you did it.
You're like, you know, pulling your hair out. My dog is never gonna break this habit. He's always gonna be this way. And when you see that it can be done and you see it happen, then it's easy or easier to find it within yourself.
He's perfectly fine. He's content, and he just now knows, he knows what the dynamic should be.
We're not punishing him, we're disciplining him.
Yes,
Right.
there you
That's
go.
a big difference.
Exactly.
People have put a lot of, you know, bad things in my head about my dog, and I was messed up about it. And I was like, I've been crying before, just like, my dog's a mess, what can I do? He's emotionally unstable, he's insecure, he's, you know, doesn't like other people or dogs, but like, he's all right.
He's fine.
We're gonna do it, buddy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
My future is unlimited.
You know, Eden has the energy. She's calm, she's happy, she's assertive. I mean, to be on stage, you have to be assertive. There's no question about it. You just have to transfer that energy into other areas of your life and manifest what you really want. Don't try it, just do it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I've been a fan of the show for a while, and I've felt and heard other people say, you know, Cesar's this miracle worker, and no one can do what he does. And the truth is that he gives you the tools in order to do it. You know, we can be miracle workers too.
The wizard
I am the dog whisperer.